my fellow Pokemon trainers, we're back again for another unboxing video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Caesar, and today we're going to be taking a look at none other than these boxes. The Rapid Strike Urshifu V box versus the Single Strike Urshifu V box. So it is going to be a battle of the titans. Let's see which box has a better pull. So without any further ado, let's get this going. Alright guys, so Rapid Strike versus Single Strike. Blue versus red, red versus blue. Which one do you think will win this battle of the titans? We will see in a bit. We'll start off with, I'll go with red. The Urshifu V box Single Strike. There's the box. There's the back of the box. You could pause it right there if you want to read what it says. There it is. So let's get this going. Let's just go wild on this box. And there you go, Chuck. There it is. Comes with a jumbo card and 4 single packs, along with a Single Strike Energy. It's not Black Star promo, but it does have a Single Strike and Single Strike Urshifu. So a mini version of this giant jumbo card. Okay. Open this. Of course. Pokemon, and they're plastic. Jeez, Pokemon. Why so much plastic? Such a waste. Such a waste. Look at this. Okay. More plastic, more trash. Let's take a look at the Single Strike Energy. As you can see, it's a reverse holo. And the Single Strike Urshifu. And as you can see, he is a Black Star promo. Sword and Shield number 106. So there it is. There is the Mega Jumbo card. A jumbo card for jumbo battles. And these 4. Oh wow. So I just saw there are 2 battle styles and 1 Darkness Ablaze, which isn't so bad. But of course, Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion. Wow, Pokemon, really? Could have chosen the worst pack. There's the code card. There's more trash. So let's get this one going. I'll start off with the worst one. Let's get this one out of the way. Sun and Moon. Jeez. Which way is it? Wrong way. There it is. There's a code card for this ancient pack. 34. Alright, so Fighting Energy. Counter Energy. A Miltank. Zweilous. Numel. Swinub. Swablu. It looks like it's like running away from something. Spoink. And the Lazy River just chilling. Chimecho. A Staryu. And a Staraptor. So nothing out of that first pack, which I didn't really care about since that thing is ancient. Let's go with Darkness Ablaze. Okay, there's the trash. Let me see which way is. Okay, right way. There's the cool card. 4. So Fire Energy. Clang. Simisage. Billowing Smoke. Toxel. Sinistea. A Carablast. Meltan. A Marini. Reverse Holo Gothorita. And a Muck. So nothing out of those 2 packs. Battle styles. Let's save this one for last. So let's go with this one. Urshifu Rapid Strike versus Single Strike. So there is the code card. 2, 3, 4. Let me know in the comments down below who you're rooting for. Personally, I think I'm going for the Rapid Strike. I think it's better to hit an opponent a lot of times instead of saving 1 punch. Esper, Shinx, a Timber, and a Victini Vmax full art card. Looking like a blue-eyed Dracula. That's what I said before, so really cool card. Not so happy. I mean, I'm not so excited because I already had pulled it before, but nevertheless, beautiful, beautiful card. And this is the last pack for the single strike Urshifu box. Let's see if we can get another pull. There is the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. So Psychic Energy, Tower of Waters, Luxio, Weeping Bell. That's funny. Look, what is she eating? The flower? Salivating over the flower. Baltoy, Gligar, Salandit, Bronzor, Cacnea, a reverse hollow Licky Licky, and a Mind Shao. So we only got one pull out of that box, which was the Urshifu Vmax. Let's see if the Rapid Strike Urshifu can do any better. Alright, so there is the Rapid Strike Urshifu V box. Same thing. There is the back. If you guys want to read what it says, you can pause it. There's the front. Let's destroy this box. Trash. Again, same thing, except this is the Rapid Strike Energy, the Rapid Strike Urshifu V, Black Star promo number 107. This one was number 106. Jumbo, and again, 4 booster packs. Go with the plastic again. Those cards, trash. There's a closer look at the Rapid Strike Energy. Also reverse hollow. Let's put these side to side. I like this one better. Right away. If below it looks more shiny. There it is. A Rapid Strike Urshifu. So there it is. Kick to the face, punch to the face. And the Jumbo card. There they are. And of course, the packs. There is the code card. Let's see. Again. Okay, same thing. So again, Sun and Moon. 1 Darkness Ablaze. 2 Battle Styles. Same order. Start off with the worst one. Trash. More trash. Which way was it? Wrong way. This way. There is a code. 2, 3, 4. So Energy, Gastrodon. It looks like the girl's gonna beat up the guy. Look at him, all scared. Okay, Kakuna, Esogor, Skiddo, Pikachu. That is a cute Pikachu. Alola and Geodude looking like all shady. Mischievous, Mencino, a reverse hollow Xerneas, and a Starmie. So nothing out of those packs. Both of those packs. Go with Darkness Ablaze. Let me put this one back. That's the one that has to be beaten. Oh man, this is really stuck. Oh, there it is. From the bottom. Trash. No. Oh wait. There's the code card. 4. Leaf Energy, Pokemon Breeder, Combuskin, Staravia, Morolo, Wishiwashi, a Cufant, Dino, Panseer, Reverse Hollow Toxapex, and a Talonflame. I love Hawks. That's some cool artwork. So, Darkness Ablaze, Tyranitar versus Empoleon. Let's go Empoleon. Save the Tyranitar for last. Let's see if there could be any post on this one. Is it this way? Yeah, it's this way. There's a code card. 4, Hard Trick, Fire Energy, Herder, Durant, Camping Gear, Pachirisu, Cherubi, Mindful, doing the splits, getting warmed up to kick somebody in the face, Silly Cobra, Killer Mr. Mime, a Reverse Hollow Tower of Waters, and a Stoutland V. So, pretty close, but I think this one's still winning. It comes down to this pack. Will this give the single strike Urshifu the win? We will find out. There's the trash. Here is the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's Water Energy, EXP Share, Carkle, Dottler, Tepig, Clammeow, Silly Cobra, a Frillish, Houndour, pulling the big rock, training, sweating, nice. A Reverse Hollow Jellicents, and a Conkeldurr. So that was it for that. For those boxes. Was it this way? Yeah, it was this way. So who do you guys think won? I think the Rapid Strike. But I mean one pull and one pull. The rest was nothing. So there it is. Let me know in the comments down below which one do you think had the better pulls. And let's get this video going. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video unboxing. In the comments down below, let me know which one do you think had the better pulls. Not that much to pick out of, but either way, thank you guys so much for watching today. Please subscribe to my channel to see future unboxings. And in the meantime, take care, and I will see you guys next time.